Good morning, class. Welcome to Mathematics 7, Quarter 4, Week 2. By the way, my name is Roland J. Viola Jr., your subject teacher in mathematics. Our topic for today is all about organizing and presenting data. In these lessons allows you to explore different ways of organizing and presenting data, such as using tables, graphs, or charts. Presenting data using graphs or charts such as a frequency histogram, bar graphs, line graphs, and pie charts or circle graphs will be studied. This will help you realize when to use such kind of graph and what information each of these types can provide. But before that, we have our objectives. A. Organize data in a frequency table. B. Use appropriate graphs to present data. So for the guided activity, consider the following charts and graphs and answer the questions that follow. So just familiarize the charts and you can answer later the questions being asked. So in these graphs, it shows about the scores of students in the period examination of mathematics and English. So these are the questions. What information can we get from each of the above charts or graphs? Number 2, do they present the same information? Number 3, describes each of the graphs and charts. What do you think are some uses of each of the charts or graphs? So you can answer these following questions and you can just comment down your answers. Okay, so for histogram is a graphical representation showing a visual impression of the distribution of data. A histogram consists of tabular frequencies, such as adjacent rectangles erected over intervals. The height of a rectangle is also equal to the frequency. So, a pie chart is a circle divided into sectors proportional to the frequencies. It shows how a part of something relates to the whole. It is important to define what the whole represents. So in this pie chart, it represents the number of participants in a competition, wherein 30% are swimming, 25% are basketball, 20% are tennis, and 15% are badminton, and also chess is 10%. So as a whole, we have a totality of 100%. A line graph shows trends in data clearly. This displays data which are collected over a period of time to show how data change at regular intervals. So as you can see below the line graph, it is categorized into years. So for bar graphs, it's like a histogram except that its bars are separated. This uses parallel bars, either horizontal or vertical, to represent counts for several categories. One bar is used for each category with the length of the bar representing the count for that one category. So this is an example of a bar graph. Okay, so that's ends. So okay, and that's ends our lessons for today. Thank you for listening and God bless.